What do you do if you can't get in your truck and you can't get it started? Believe it or not, this has happened to us on a camping trip. We were packed up on Sunday, ready to come home, and we couldn't start our truck because the key fob was dead. And that just happened to be the weekend that we left our spare key at home. So, what do you do when you're out there? You have limited service to actually pull up YouTube to try to figure out what to do. Turns out our key has a secret compartment within our console below some things you need to pull out. You can put your key in there. The truck recognizes the key, whether it's charged or not, and actually will start. So if you're out and about, your key fob on your truck loses battery and you can't get your truck started, take a look at maybe your middle console. There's probably an area in there that you can drop your key into. The truck will recognize your key fob and you can get your truck started. Always then carry some extra batteries with you.